Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be talking about shooting 4K footage with the Canon EOS R6. So on the R6 you could shoot 4K in Canon log and at 60 frames per second or 23 frames per second. So with this trip to Arkansas, I shot footage in 23 and 60 frames. And I did this because I wanted to give my computer a full test to see how well it does editing 4K footage. 4K is very beneficial when it comes to when you're shooting and when you're editing. If you can edit 4K footage on a 1080 timeline, you can crop in and initially get multiple different angles from one shot. And it also allows you to do digital zoom in or zoom out or pans, because you're able to crop in and kind of do that kind of stuff in editing. So I've been wanting to be able to shoot 4K more full time, like with my wedding videos and stuff, but I'm not really sure if my computer is up to par to do so. So on this trip, I chose to shoot everything in 4K, come home, edit, and see how well it goes. So after my test of trying to edit a video in 4K, my computer definitely cannot do it at a consistent rate. I can get a few minutes in and then it'll start lagging. I kind of need to save and make sure there's nothing running in the background, and sometimes even restart the computer to kind of get another 10 minutes out of it before it starts lagging again. And then at some point it just gets to the point where it's kind of annoying. So with that said, I'll probably have to start working in proxies until I can upgrade my computer and get it where it works flawlessly with 4K, or at least better. I say better or flawlessly because at work we shoot in 6K on the Macs that we have, which are from 2015, and they do very well. Like, it never lags. So I know I can build my home PC to do the same without having to get, surely I don't have to get an Apple to be able to do this. So I think it's just finding the right stuff and what exactly I need to make it work. So with that said, I'm going to show you guys the little video I put together of the 4K footage. This was all shot handheld. Some of it was put on a tripod with the 70-200 or the 70-200 with the teleconverter. A good amount is shot with the 24 Sigma lens, which is the 1.4 art. And then there's very little with the Canon 85 1.8. The Sigma has a Tiffin Black Pro Mist filter. It adds just a little bit of diffusion, softens the light. I just like the look, so I shoot everything with it on. And then the 85 also had a Moment 10% Cine Bloom filter. It basically does the same, diffuses the light a little bit. The Canon didn't have any filter on it, as I don't have one for that lens. But here's that footage, and enjoy. So there you have it. So I really love how this video came out. I love being able to just kind of put together an overview of a trip, even if it's just simply as random footage throughout the whole 2 or 3 days that we're on the trip, whatever it may be. I did shoot this all in Canon Log 3 and then color graded in Premiere Pro. I edit and color grade everything in Premiere Pro. I really love how this came out. I love the colors. I really need to use the 70-200 more often for videos. I really love the depth of field and the look it gives to getting detail shots. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate if you would like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.